тобой мосты в этом сюжете оказались только я и ты. Вдыхая это.
Hello everyone, today I will review the Tsumbay wireless sports earphones. In this video I will talk about the advantages of this earphones. 1. Ipx7 Sweat-Proof earphones. Break a sweat in dynamic tunes. Ipx7 water-resistant nano coating efficiently protects these wireless sport headphones from sweat and ensure more guaranteed lifespan, perfect for showering, running, jogging, hiking, yoga, exercises, gym, fitness, traveling and more. 2. Superior sound quality. Thanks to the latest Bluetooth 4.1 CSR plus CVC 6.0 noise cancellation technology, you can get richer and crisp sound as well as superb bass sound with these Bluetooth earbuds at the furthest degree that in-ear and Bluetooth compression items can achieve. It's much easier and faster when pairing the earphones with your iPhone or other Bluetooth-enabled music devices. 3. Comfortable and secure fit. Ergonomic in-ear design and Supersoft silicone over-ear hooks design guarantees a secure fit wearing experience without falling out. Additionally, the package will come with 3 pairs of different size ear tips. Best Bluetooth earphones for all customers. 4. Connection with multiple devices. These Bluetooth headphones can pair with up to 2 Bluetooth devices at a time and never miss important calls or messages while driving or when hitting the gym. 5. Longest battery life. The improved lithium polymer battery allows seamless enjoyment of music for up to 8-9 hours on a single charge. It will show the remaining battery power of the headphones on the iOS phone screen. Note: 1. Please use the standard 5V 1A charging plug to charge the headphones for safe charging. 2. Please use charging cable provided, or certified brand charging cable. We don't recommend using fast charging. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye.